Hi, I'm Brad Hutchings, creator of the Mmojo Appliance. This is a Mmojo Appliance based on a Mac Mini. This is another Mmojo Appliance based on an NVIDIA Jetson Nano device. And this is the original Mmojo Knowledge Appliance based on a Raspberry Pi. I'm going to show you how a Mmojo Appliance can make AI tokens at home for you and explain what that means. But first, I'm going to talk about coffee for 45 seconds. I love espresso drinks, in particular a good whole milk latte. I make mine at home with this equipment. My rig also includes a Ninja Foodie air cooker for roasting beans. This stuff would cost me about $1,000 to replace, and I've spent many times that sorting out what works well. At Starbucks prices, I drink about $500 of lattes per month before tipping. Let's talk about the trade-offs. My latte made at home is much better than what Starbucks makes, but there's usually a Starbucks near where I shop. Local coffee shops have more variety and do better with the latte art, but they aren't in my home at 5:15 a.m. in the morning. Tokens are a lot like coffee. You can make them yourself at home. I make a product that does that for you. You can use it to replace cloud chat systems like ChatGPT or Claude. You can use it to get rid of token bills related to agent systems like OpenClaw. The tokens you make at home aren't just less expensive. They're private. Nobody's watching what you ask and what data you share. Nobody's looking to monetize that either. The trade-off is whether homemade tokens are good enough for your purposes. My training and experience tell me they probably are for most problems you throw at them. Even NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang acknowledges that most of us do not need frontier model tokens. So let's look at a Mmojo Appliance, which will make tokens at home for you much easier than my espresso machine makes me coffee. Let's plug in the Mac Mini. You only plug in power and Ethernet. Connect it to your home router, start it up. You do not plug in a keyboard, mouse, or monitor. Mmojo Appliances are not meant to be daily driver computers or do other tasks. It's important to run AI agent software in a sandbox so it doesn't erase or ruin your data. It works on copies of data you intentionally give agents access to. Let's connect to Mmojo Appliance in the web browser. http mmojo.local. It runs a large language model, or LLM, with my Mmojo server software, so you don't have to pay for cloud subscriptions or put your private data on someone else's cloud server. Mmojo Appliance offers my humane, completion-style user interface, so you don't have to pretend to converse with a robot. Here, it's summarizing a 1-hour podcast transcript for me at actual speed. With Mmojo Complete's bookmarking feature, you can create powerful apps that live in your web browser. Mmojo Appliance also offers a traditional chat-style user interface for people who enjoy robot cosplay. I don't judge you people, I just want you to save money and stay private. Completion-style UIs are better though. Mmojo Appliance runs OpenClaw connected to Mmojo's server instead of a pricey public cloud LLM. Let's have it get the weather forecast for us. It runs additional software configured to make it a great appliance. I added a terminal in a web browser so I could make videos like this. It turns out to be very useful for everyday appliance use. And of course, you can screen share with it right out of the box. Saving money and preserving privacy are good reasons to have me build you a Mmojo Appliance. But there is a better reason. The tech industry is assaulting your wallet, your values, your community, and even your career with AI. Having your own LLM and agent appliance at home protects you from these incursions and helps you understand how they work. You will learn what agents like OpenClaw are good at, but more importantly, you'll learn what they're not good at. Your company's leaders are pushing you to use AI to become more efficient. Eventually, the bill on that misguided effort is going to come due. Today's leaders will be replaced with people who understand what AI actually does well. A Mmojo Appliance can help you be that next leader. I bring similar knowledge and passion to the Mmojo Appliance that I do to my coffee rig. I know what to build and how to build it. I know the right trade-offs to make for the best experience at an affordable price. I charge $250 to convert your new computer to a Mmojo Appliance. I can convert Mac Minis, Mac Studios, MacBook Pros, MacBook Airs, NVIDIA Jetson systems, and select AMD-powered systems. It will give you the best experience making AI tokens at home, available today at a reasonable total price. Visit mmojo.net, MMOJO.net, for more information. I'm Brad Hutchings. Thank you for your time.